Okay, so as I look at this, I need to decide which one looks like the function 2 raised to the x minus 1 plus 2. Well, this is pretty easy. Actually, we don't really need a calculator to do this. First, let's find the y-intercept. Well, the y-intercept occurs when x equals 0. So if I say f of 0 equals 2 to the 0 minus 1 plus 2, that's the same as saying 2 to the negative 1 plus 2. 2 to the negative 1 is the same as 1/2 plus 2, or 2.5. So that means that the y-intercept, this is going to be the y-intercept, is going to occur at 2.5. This one's out. It doesn't cross at 2.5. This one's out, doesn't cross at 2.5. This one's out, doesn't cross at 2.5. So, but just to make sure, I'm going to graph it. So we already found our answer. But let's see. So I've got 2 raised to the x minus 1 plus 2. So when I graph it, guess what? There it is. It crosses right between 2 and 3 at 2.5. So that's our answer. I'm just going to take a real quick shot of that, put that on the notes. So then this is it. Why? Because it crosses right here at 2.5. None of the other graphs do that.